So you think you can be profitable in day trading by breaking trading rules? That's funny. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So in this work study lesson, we're going to be looking at a couple here. We're going to look at American Express, and we're also going to be looking at Amazon. So this work study lesson is going to be different because I'm going to talk about losing today. All right. So nobody likes to lose. You know, everybody wants to win every day. Every trader thinks they should win every day, but I'm just going to keep it real with you. You're not going to win every day. Okay. You are not going to win every day. So you have to just accept that, accept that having losing days is part of the game, right? You just have to accept that having losing days is part of the game. Every business accepts that they're going to lose sometimes. You know what I mean? Sometimes if you're in sales, sometimes you're going to go a week with no sales, you know what I'm saying? Then you'll go a week with 50 sales, right? If you're selling cars, sometimes you're going to sell a bunch of cars 1 month, and next month you're going to sell a few, right? So that's just business. That's just the flow of things in this world. You're not going to win all the time, but I will say you're going to win more than you lose if you follow your trading rules. Okay. And so the key word today, if you want to put it in the comments already, is follow the rules. Follow the rules, because I lost today, and I lost squarely today because I broke trading rules. So let's jump into this one, because this one is juicy. This is how you learn right here. Okay. This is how you learn. So I saw this beautiful trend up, right? And then I was watching this thing. Then we had a trend down, trend break, retest to new low. Okay. Now, when I was watching it, I was waiting for it to break right under here, and it did right here. So boom, this big candle hit the sweet spot. Man, I was chomping at the bit. I was like, okay, all right, we're in the sweet spot. I'm looking for my entry. So I started looking for a second entry long, which I was kind of looking at this whole thing as a down, up, down, 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 up. And then when this signal candle dudded out, I was patient. I was like, nah, we're in the center of the sweet spot. This signal candle is small. This huge candle here is ginormous. I said, I better wait for a golden ratio touch. Then this candle started pushing down strong quickly, and I was like, yep, I'm right. I would have been trapped. Okay, so I was feeling good about myself. I had been patient. I didn't get trapped right here. I was feeling good. Then we hit the golden ratio right here, and I was looking for a rejection, because I looked to the left and I was like, okay, we kind of had a trend, a rally-based rally in a way. That's not a clean one, but that's kind of a rally-based rally. So I'm like, all right, yeah, we definitely could turn here. So I was still expecting us to turn here. I saw this little rejection right here. Okay. Then I said to myself, if this candle breaks higher, I'm going. Mistake number one. So this candle opened up right here, pushed up real fast. I jumped in. So what rule did I just break? I entered before the candle closed. So guess what I ended up doing? I go long on a falling hammer. You see that? You see that? Breaking the rule of not waiting for the candle to close had me take a falling hammer, people. I just took a falling hammer, breaking out of the golden ratio, breaking out of the sweet spot. This is the worst entry I've taken all year. I mean, a falling hammer out of the sweet spot. Ugh. But why did it happen? It happened because I broke a trading rule, which is to wait for the candle to close. Even if I didn't wait for the candle to close, I have another rule that goes with that rule, which is at least if you're gonna go early, at least wait for the last 10 seconds, right? Don't go in the first 10 seconds, because you got 50 more seconds. Anything can happen, just like here where you get the falling hammer, okay? So that's the first rule I broke. I entered before the candle closed, all right? So then I'm watching this thing and I'm like, shoot. The whole time I'm saying like, yep, that's what I get. That's what I get. And then I see this beautiful push up close higher than this candle. I'm thinking like, all right, this is my first entry, push down, second entry long, right? Looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? In theory, it's definitely a nice looking second entry long. It's a mile away from the EMA. Guess what? I just broke another rule. Anybody know what it is? Anybody know what it is? I'll give you a second to think about it before I say it. Okay, time's up. This is an else. This is a clear else. This ain't no kind of else. This ain't no. So remember our trade, the thing that keeps us safe is if, then, else, right? If we get a trend up, 2 legs back to the sweet spot, and we get a price action entry to go the other way, then we have a trade. Else, we don't. When this candle, when I was sitting there losing, because I was in the trade, right? I entered right here. So this is my candle 1. This is my candle 2. This is my candle 3. This is my candle 4. I should be telling myself this is an else, right? Go look for something else. This is a clear else. But I'll tell you what got me. What got me is that I've seen a lot of, elses that turn into thens. So, that's possible. And so I was just thinking in my head that I went too soon, And like I said, this is a clear, not clear. Let me take that back. This is a nice first entry, push, second entry long, right? But it is a clear, by definition, else. Not only is this a falling hammer, then this is a big candle. This is a big drop. This is a drop. This is a clear else, people. This is a clear else, but I take it. And guess what? Heartbreak Hotel. Let me count it up for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got rejection. I'm still up. This candle shot up first. I'm up, y'all. I'm up with like 20 seconds to go. I'm thinking I got the win in the bag. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do on my double up. And this boy turns into a fallen hammer for the loss. Heartbreak. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? These need to be red too. Heartbreak. Yeah, these need to be red. Red boy there. And a red boy there. Heartbreak Hotel. Now I'm down 0-2. Okay. My trading plan is 1-1-2-1. So now my double up is next. Okay. So by this time though, I have went elsewhere, looked somewhere else. I came back. Now I saw this candle right here, which is actually a legitimate low, push up, higher low, but it was too small. It didn't break higher, didn't show a whole bunch of strength. So I skipped it for a legitimate reason. I go look somewhere else, right? I come back. This candle here is surging up. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Y'all are not gonna believe this. I went early again. Yes, I did. I went right here, y'all, on this candle early again. I just was stuck on stupid. I went early again right here because this candle was pushing up. So I jumped in thinking we finna head up to the EMA. This thing turned into another falling hammer, y'all. I went early again. So my entry is up here somewhere, okay? Entry is up here somewhere. Now watch this one. 1, 2. This is candle 2. I'm thinking like, all right, I might win this double up and square my day up. Then I said, I know price action. I said, we got to stay above the EMA. Look what happened when we hit the EMA. Boom. I knew right there I was hit. That's candle 3. Then here's candle 4. I'm still up though. Giving me a shot. Came down to the final candle. Candle 5. Bam. Heartbreaker. I lose. I'm down 4 of them. I am down 4 of them. But guess what? All my fault. all my fault. It's not the strategy's fault, all right? It's not the teacher's fault, right? It's not American Express fault, right? It's not the 21 EMA fault, right? It's not the I had the sweet spot drawn in the right spot. It's not the sweet spot fault. Guess what, y'all? It was my fault for breaking trading rules. I entered before the candle closed twice. Then I took an else. Matter of fact, all these are else. You know, at this point, this is an else too. So this is an else. So this is a double dummy right here. Double dummy. Not only did I enter early, broke that rule, this is an else. We ain't in the sweet spot. We are not in the sweet spot. It was an else over here. It's still an else over here. Double dummy right there. So listen, you break your rules, don't expect to win, okay? Don't expect to win by breaking rules. Rules are there for a reason, right? And some of these trading rules are really basic, like wait for the candle to close. Just wait for the candle to close. All of this happened to me here because I was too anxious. That's it. If I just follow the rules, whether I'm anxious or not, you know, if I just follow the rules, I do not take this one, right? It turns into an else. I go look elsewhere. Period. Because I don't take this one. You know what I'm saying? So it all started by breaking one rule, right? And then it dominoed effect. But if I don't break the rule right here, and this turns into a falling hammer, I watch the rest of this and I go somewhere else, right? Because this is an else. Now, let's say I don't break the rule right here and I go somewhere else. Let's see what would have happened. Because here's that somewhere else. Amazon was in the ball game also. Okay. And here's the sweet spot. Okay. Let me change some colors around here. So for my final trade, what I saw was first entry, push, second entry. I took this red boy right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the win, right? So I did get one win out of the day. But let's look at what would have happened if I had not traded American Express at all, because it was an else, right? If I catch this, that's trade one. Y'all know me. I go again right here all day. 1, 2, 3. This would have been candle 4 with a big lead. I would consider this another high, push down, lower high. Beautiful candle. You go right there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, then you go right here. Here's my double up. So this is win 1. This is win 2. Here's the double up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Home run double up. I'm up 400 right now. Just like that. Just like that. If I follow the rules, right? If I follow the rules, let that American Express turn into an else, accept that it was an else, go look elsewhere. Amazon was sitting here waiting for me, right? So this win 1, win 2, I double up right here. I'm up 400. Then, you know what I'm saying? I don't go here. I wait for it. And then what do you get? First entry, push. Another second entry short coming out of the golden ratio. Bam. Trade number 5. Bye. $500 day. $500 day. By just, listen, why stop there? Then you get another high, lower high right here. You go right there. Bam. Then you get another high, lower high. You go right there. Bam. I mean, y'all feel me? Can y'all feel me? Can y'all feel me? So, some days you're going to lose because of you, right? But the more disciplined you become, the more you follow your rules, you will have a lot less losing days and a lot more profitable days. I should have been showing you guys a 5-0 run today. That's what I should have been showing. This video, right, should have had a nice picture of me smiling on the thumbnail, with a nice screenshot of Amazon making $500 in about 15 minutes or less. That's what this video should have been today. But no. JD was double dumb today. JD was stuck on stupid, breaking rules, expecting to win. I don't know why. Okay. But hey, guess what? I'm going to eat this one for the team, right? You guys are going to do better tomorrow because you watched this video. So that's the goal. That's the silver lining that I'm going to take from today, right? You guys are going to do better tomorrow because you watched this video today. All right. So I ain't got no trade example for you. I'm sorry. Sorry. You know what I'm saying? I blew that. Who wants to watch a whole bunch of losses? You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no trade example for you today. But I do greatly appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope this one will truly help somebody, because you can have a lot more days. You can have a lot more profitable days when you just follow your trading rules. Hey, let's make a few more, since we ain't got no trade example. Let's just make a few more marks, because was this thing not stupid? Okay, then you get another high here, lower high, you take that one right there, bang, then you get another high, lower high off the EMA, beautiful signal candle, you take that one right there, bang, then you get another one high, lower high right here. This one is a little bit far from the EMA. I don't know if you take it, but if you do, bang, and so forth and so on. I mean, we can keep riding this puppy all the way down. Then you get to the bottom. This is the first entry, push down, push. Second entry short. You take this one right here. Let's start another one. Bang. Then you get a high, lower high, matching tops. Beautiful signal candle. Let's take this one right here too. Bang. Then you get another high, lower high. This signal candle is kind of small, but hey, you are definitely riding a rave. You take that one right there. Bang. Then you get another high, push down, lower high. Look at this falling hammer off the EMA. Ton of rejection. You take that one right there. Bang. This was downright nuts. And then you think you get caught. High, lower high. You think you finna get caught right here? Nope. You gonna win this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comeback win. Bang. And then you take this one again. Cause why not? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that one gets you. That's where it ends right there. It ends right there on this one. So let's mark it red. This is where the run ended right here for a hot second, and then it started back over right here. This first entry push, second entry short. That signal candle is terrible, but if you wait for this one to break right here, let me say it one more time because I like saying it. Bang. Right. Oh, wait a minute. Then you get a first entry push, second entry short right here. You gotta take that one. Bang. Then you get a drop base. People don't know what a drop base drop is. This is a drop base. Go on that candle right there. Drop. Bang. My goodness. Oh, let me just add this one right here just so we can see, because that one would have won 2, and this one right here would have won 2, and this one right here would have won 2, and this one right here would have won 2. I'm a little sick, to say the least. I'm slightly. This is slightly sickening, considering that I took a else on American Express. I took an else on American Express when this was waiting for me. Because remember, I took this one right here. This was my last trade of the day, right? So I had to watch the rest of this. So that's the only kudos I can give myself. Some people may think I'm stupid for this, but my trading plan is 11/21. So I took the allotted trades for the day, and I, called it a day. Now, yeah, I left the greatest run of the year on the table, but hindsight is 20/20, right? Again, you have to follow your trading plan, and over trading is the killer of all. So, I saw this set up. I wanted to take it bad in the mug. Then I saw this one setting up. I wanted to take it bad in the mug, but I had already used up all my trades. So I was just telling myself, like, man, you got to do something today that's right. You got to at least get a check mark for your over trading discipline for the day. You've already broken all these other rules. You going to break your trade limit rule too? No, I didn't. So I mean, yeah, I left a bunch of wins on the table. I mean, a bunch of wins on the table, but it serves me right. That's what I get for breaking rules, right? So in the comments today, it's gonna make me feel better if you guys will take the time and just put follow the rules. Because then if you know, if you guys write follow the rules in the comments today, I'm gonna see that and it's gonna stick in my head, and tomorrow I'm gonna follow the rules, right? And then hopefully everybody else follows the rules too. So let's all help each other out and write in the comments today, follow the rules. Because when you follow the rules, this is your reward right here. This is your reward right here for following the rules. All right. So again, sorry, this might be the first video in history I don't have no trade example for you. But I hope this video is a blessing to you. All right. So I'm gonna sign off with that. I gotta go, man. I gotta go lift some weights or something. I gotta go to the gym and let go of this frustration. Get ready for tomorrow. All right. So everybody be blessed. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye bye.